How to enable or disable Google Play Protect.
Google Play Protect runs in the background to scan your apps for harmful behavior, but there are times you might need to turn it off. For example, when installing a trusted app from outside the Play Store. Here's how to enable or disable it. First, open the Play Store app. After that, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Play Protect from the menu. At this point, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the Play Protect screen. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Scan Apps with Play Protect. Following this, toggle this switch off if you want to disable it. A confirmation message will pop up explaining the risks. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Keep in mind, disabling Play Protect means your device won't be scanned for harmful apps, so only do this temporarily and for a trusted reason. Once done, if you want to turn it back on, head back to this same Play Protect settings screen. From here, simply toggle the switch back on. At this stage, no confirmation is needed to re-enable it. It turns on right away. After this, your device will resume scanning apps for security threats automatically. Finally, that's all it takes to enable or disable Google Play Protect whenever you need to. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.